Children, I'm sure y'all are all staying home and doing good. Till now, in EVS, we have done the animal features, the sounds of the different animals. We have done even domestic animals and pet animals. So today, we'll be talking about wild animals. Wild animals are non-domesticated animals. They stay either in the jungle, yes, or we can see them in the zoo or sanctuary. So today we'll be talking about the different wild animals and their young ones, and basically what they eat. Yes, and we should always remember to save these wild animals because this helps us in our food chain. So I'm sure all of us are ready for it.
So today we are going to talk about wild animals. Wild animals are animals which stay in the jungle, or we can see them in the sanctuaries or zoo. These wild animals, they are non-domesticated animals. That means they cannot be found in the homes. We cannot keep them in our homes. Yes, and we should try to save these animals because they are very important for our food chain. So let us see a few wild animals and their young ones. The first wild animal we are doing is the lion. He's called the king of the jungle. Yes, and can you see the long mane that it has? And a baby lion is called a cub. And it is a flesh eater. Yes, that means it eats other animals for its survival.
Is the tiger, and the tiger we know is our national animal, and a baby tiger is called a cub. And can you see the yellow and black stripes of the tiger? Yes, so a tiger has yellow and black stripes, and it is also a meat eating animal, that is, it requires other animals for its food.
The next animal we are going to do is a bear, and a baby bear is called a cub. Bears basically love to eat honey. Yes, and they live on plants, berries, and all these different kinds of fruits. A hippopotamus, and a baby hippopotamus is called a calf. And hippopotamus love to eat grass. And one thing about hippopotamus is that they live both in land and water, and mainly they are submerged in water to keep their body and their skin cool. Now we have the next animal, which is a rhinoceros, and a baby rhinoceros is called a calf. And a special thing, can you see the horn in front of the thing? Rhinoceros. Yes, that is one special feature we know about the rhinoceros. The elephant. Yes, it is the one of the biggest animal in the animal kingdom, and a baby elephant is called a calf, and it is very strong and it loves to eat plants. Now the next wild animal we are going to do is the deer, and a baby deer is called a fawn. Like the elephant, the deer also likes to eat plants. A zebra. Yes, a zebra has black and white stripes, and a baby zebra is called a foal. F-O-A-L, foal. Giraffe has a long neck. It is very tall and it eats all the leaves from the trees, tall trees.
Baby giraffe is called a calf.
Kangaroo carries its baby in a pouch. Yes, carries its baby in the pouch till it becomes big. And a baby kangaroo is called a joey. Yes, so we have done a few wild animals and their babies. And I have already told you that these wild animals are basically found in the forest. Yes, and we should save these wild animals and take care of the wild animals because they are very important for our ecosystem. Yes, for the food chain.
So now we have talked about the different wild animals Yes? And now in our EVS notebook, we will be writing the different wild animals' names. And the worksheet is uploaded for the same. So please write it in the similar manner as it is written in the worksheet about the wild animals.